Sorry. Good afternoon, everybody. My dear colleagues, all of you who are on the dais as well as part of the audience, esteemed directors and the chairman and the representatives from institutions of excellence on the dais, and other members who are in the audience, my dear students who are here from the colleges and institutions in and around Tirupati, members of the corporate sector who are participating in today's event and also the following day's symposia, members of the media. It is indeed a very significant day today, not only from the point of view of the fact that this is the first duty meet of AP Police post the bifurcation, which has been revived after a period of 6 years, but also the fact that we have entered into a MOU, a Memorandum of Understanding, with such premier institutions like the Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research and the Indian Institute of Information Technology. Now, we are all aware that the kind of crime that is evolving, what is trending today may be obsolete tomorrow, because the nature of crime is also progressing, changing, is very dynamic on a day-to-day basis with the advance of technology. And we all know that technology today permeates through everything in our life. And we are gravitating more and more towards IoT kind of a situation, when we are talking about not only virtual reality but augmented reality. And then there is something beyond that as well. I believe I need to update myself. So this is the kind of scenario that the police is facing today. We also need to really constantly, on a daily basis, almost keep updating ourselves, keeping ourselves abreast with the kind of needs that is emerging, and make ourselves competent enough to meet with those kind of challenges. It is our bounden responsibility to ensure that safety and security of the citizens of the state and our country are ensured, and towards that we have to constantly prepare ourselves, constantly update ourselves, so that we are able to meet with that kind of an expectation. Professional standards, professional competencies, skills are also changing by the day. It's so dynamic. And this signing of MOUs also demonstrates the fact that we in Andhra Pradesh Police, we are committed to keep ourselves updated, to keep ourselves better prepared to serve the citizens of the state and of our country. We have those technology, we have those skills available amidst us, which is in the midst of the portals of the academic institutions, the centers of excellence. And you all know, and we all know that India is a technology powerhouse globally. We have amidst us the most brilliant minds, the most brilliant capacities. If you talk about any technology company in the world, we have Indians there, and more so from the state of Andhra Pradesh, the Telugu-speaking states. While that is the case in the scenario, it makes all the more relevance that such kind of a technology, such kind of knowledge, such kind of capacity, such kind of wisdom is available to us practitioners on the ground. Technology has an intended purpose and an objective. At the same time, we have similar kind of minds working parallelly to make sure that that technology is also used for wrongful means and wrongful gains and wrongful ends. So therefore, we being from the police, it is our responsibility to see that such misuse, such wrongful intended use in a predictive manner, prevent them. So we are very grateful to these institutions. The Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, Tirupati. I thank the director, Professor K.N. Ganesh, on behalf of AP Police, AP Government, and also on my personal behalf. Professor, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. Similarly, I also thank Professor Kanabiran and the chairman, Mr. Balasubramanian, from IIIT, Indian Institute of Information Technology, for having signed this MOU with us. This partnership, I'm sure, we will really stand to gain. Not only the police, but I also believe that we would also have something to give back to the institutions by way of the practitioner's perspective, by way of what are the gaps which actually exist on the ground, what are the loopholes. We're talking about technology. Every technology has a code, and this code is not really infallible. And you always have people who try to find ways to navigate between those codes, find those gaps and cracks, or even fool the codes. So therefore, from the practitioner's perspective, from the ground, we will also be able to give you, with regards to the technology that you have, or with regards to supporting the institute and centers of excellence in their research work as to understanding what are the needs on the ground. How can we work towards, now this partnership is aimed towards public safety and security. So everybody has a responsibility, every institute has a responsibility towards public safety and public security. So we shall work together, we shall collaborate, but kindly rest assured that we are indeed highly grateful for these institutions for having given us this opportunity of collaboration and partnership. We really appreciate and we thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Friends, I think we all know the legacy that we have of AP Police, of being one amongst the front runners in professional competencies. That was the past, but nevertheless, we still carry that spirit with us, and I'm sure that in terms of use of technology, in terms of our commitment to excel and demonstrate professionalism will always remain, and we will also showcase them in all the domains of our engagement. We have a role to play, and there is a lot of expectations. We are also changing and transforming towards being a more efficient, to be more competent, to be more transparent, and to offer better services to the citizens. So I'm very certain that so far where we have progressed, and from now onwards it's going to be again jumpstart and leapfrog, particularly with this MOUs that what we have signed. I'm also very excited, perhaps more excited and looking forward than the institutions to collaborate with each other. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir, for being the visionary leader that you are. Ladies and gentlemen, with this,